Ka tenar pulit ke jela kadang penlong ya ke jing Thwet ke bejur ban yok kiam ya ki breu ki badon kiti ha ka bai dei ber ke jingshah pyniap jong ki arngut ki breu hapo Ichamati hatan Syllad East Khasi Hills. Ki arngut ki met yap ki dei jong isan sing bat usujit data lalap din na ki benta jong ka Ichamati bat dalda. Na kaliang Superintendent of Police SP ka East Khasi Hills Urituraj Ravi ha ka arpupratrik leber ula ong baki lalap ksai ha ka bai dei bat ki katto kat ni ki breu ya ki bala suba don kti ha ka te ka kampanyam ka bala jaha Ichamati henrei kat bahadu menta ngimpat syam layok kem satya ula ong ru ba ka jing toket ka layak syakmat halor kadau halendet jong ka te ka jingja bat ula kuntu ya baro ban penne ya ka syongsuk syongshangan bat ban ailat ya ka jing senchar jong ka an la ban kedau bah kesngi balang balala argut ki breu ki badai ki barjela la keno bakila syak bom yap ha ki riurunar ki bamla setia ban itu ha Ichamati kani ke jingja kalawan jaru ha kapor bala penlong ya ke jingaki persya ya ke Citizen Amendment Act CAA ya ke bala khot penlong da ke Khasi Students Union KSU bat ki weipat ki seng bhalang hapo Ichamati.
OC Syllad at around 5 p.m. yesterday he received information and then he rushed from Syllad to Ichamati. The information that he received, but that there are some people in the area. Once he reached there, those people had dispersed. However, when they remained in the area, they were patrolling and all. After half an hour, they received an information that there is one dead body around 100 meters away from the market area. They reached to the spot and they started inquiring into the cause of death, the dead body and all. And once they were inquiring, they received another information that on the way towards Molong, that's around 4 kilometers away from that PO, there was another dead body. Both were later identified as late Ishan Singh and late Sugandatta. After that, our CSU teams and FSL teams, they reached the spot. They conducted the preliminary investigation and inquiry into the matter. After that, the 2 dead bodies were shifted to Shillong Civil Hospital mortuary. Today, the ministerial inquiry has been conducted and post-mortem examination is going on. 2 separate FIRs have been filed at Syllad PS, both under 302 murder, and investigation has already started into both the cases. Investigating into it from all the angles that we have before us and all the information that we have in front of us. However, I am not at liberty to disclose the investigation details at this moment. In this case, we are investigating from all the information, from all the angles. I am not ruling out anything. I am not commenting on anything. These are the parts of investigation right now. Once we have any confirmed and verified information, we will issue a separate press release. Now is normal there. We have sent in additional forces and reinforcement there, and we are monitoring the situation very closely. But as of now, it is peaceful. They were laborers working in limestone quarries. But whether they were working in the same mining, I will check and get back to you. This incident, we are investigating from the perspective of 2 murders that happened last night. Now, if whosoever individuals are involved in this particular incident, we have gotten certain leads, and till now we have not been able to make any arrests, but we are pursuing the case from all perspectives. That's what I answered similar query earlier, that we are not ruling out anything and we are not commenting on that. We are investigating the case from all angles, all perspectives. Anything concrete or conclusive comes up, we will issue a separate press release. We are still investigating. And in that case also, we have made it very clear that anybody who was involved in whatsoever capacity will be brought to justice. And for that particular reason, the investigation in that particular case is still going on. Not after the last arrest. No, thank you.